Okay, so in this lecture, we're going to be covering major coins. So there's basically two types of coins. There's the major coins and then there's the alternative coins. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the major coins. So examples of major coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. Now these are the coins that you've probably heard of, especially Bitcoin, because their value is so high and they're more of well-known coins, and they've been on cryptocurrency for quite a number of years, and Bitcoin especially has been in the market for over 9 years now. So you could say that they're very stable. Now, the benefits of major coins are, again, they're fairly stable. They are rising over time, especially Bitcoin. The current value of Bitcoin is actually at $7,000 USD, and it's been growing since then. Just 7 months ago in May, the value of a Bitcoin was $2,000, and now a couple months later, 7 months later, the value of one Bitcoin is over $7,000. That's almost 4 times the increase in value. So you can see over time it is growing dramatically, but in the world of cryptocurrencies, it is a slow and steady growth. So it is small increases, not like the other alternative coins, which dramatically increase overnight or could dramatically lose value. So there are small increases. And another benefit of these major Bitcoins is it allows you to purchase other alternative coins. So you can buy a Bitcoin or half a Bitcoin and use that Bitcoin to actually start purchasing other alternative coins like Dash or Steam or any other alternative coin. But what you can't do is you can't buy an alternative coin and use it to buy another alternative coin. It doesn't work like that. You need to start off with a major coin and then go downwards and buy an alternative coin. Now, with that being said, major coins are more of a long-term investment. So if you do put $200 to $300, you will notice over several months or years, it will start accumulating over time and it will not actually decrease in value. And in the case if it does decrease in value and you're starting to notice over a period of days that it's constantly decreasing, you can actually use those coins to buy alternative coins, or you can actually straight up withdraw your Bitcoins, Ethereum, or Ripple. So it's really up to you, and it's a very, very safe investment. Now again, there are drawbacks to this and benefits. That's why in the next video, I'm going to be going over the alternative coins and the benefits to alternative coins.